Ủa mấy cái nó móc từ mấy cái nước thì nó bình thở.
So it turns out they led me here with motives in mind. I'm going to be the star of their new advert for their homestay. So they're videoing me doing all this stuff, and I'm about to go drive down to a tree down here. They've got a DJI Phantom 4 somewhere in the air, so I don't know, maybe that's going to be tracking me. So the guy just crashed his drone. Steep and muddy, or dusty I should say. It's not easy to ride on, and I think they maybe think that I'm some motocross champion because of the bike that I'm riding. But guarantee they'd be able to do it on scooters. They're born doing this sort of thing. Anyway, we'll see. Hopefully the drone's okay. I feel bad for the guy. Oh, this. Okay. So they got me to drive all the way back to the hostel to pick up the guy's other drone. He's got the Phantom 4, which he crashed, and then he's got the Spark, and it's out of battery. So they ended up just doing it with a DSLR and a GoPro. Got me to drive down this hill here, all the way down to that bottom there. And I've never ridden anything like this before. It's not just dirt, it's got all sorts of potholes and ruts in it. Bike's not got a mark on it, neither have I. But quite the experience, and building those skills on this bike of mine. Yeah, been having a good day up here with these guys. And all I really understand is that I'm the stuntman for their homestay ad. Just the main actor here. So yeah, it's been interesting. Really, today has just been so much fun. These four have been so kind to me. The two in front of me, brother and sister, and live at the homestay, and the two behind me who have been doing all the filming today are from Ho Chi Minh, friends of the brother and sister. I think he's still filming me now. Yeah, still behind me filming with the GoPro. Yeah, so who knows, you might see me on Hostel Worldling for a YouTube video for Vietnam Quad Homestay, which is a really lovely place. I recommend it. And they said they'd share the footage with me, so if they have, here it is.